How you going, guys? So this is the Killer B stuff that just arrived. Here we go. Nice Killer B sticker, of course, to go on. And this is the Killer B baffle. I'll get it out. Hold on. Right. There we go. That's the Killer B baffle. Nice. Some nice TIG welds there. Quality stuff. And here we have the Killer B oil pickup. Oh, plus we've got a G-ready sump plug, magnetic sump plug there, ready to go on as well. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Nicely packaged, as you can see. Nice. Gee, definitely won't break this one. Good stuff. Also here we have our full rebuild kit. Original Subaru, of course. All your gaskets are in there that you need to do a full rebuild. Head gaskets, every seal. Geez, there's a lot of seals in there, I'll tell you. Washers. So, we're pretty much ready to start assembling the block. There she is. It's going to go for a clean now. It's all prepped, ready to go. Rods ready to go. Pistons are all ready. They've been checked. They've been ring gapped. So basically, you can start working on this piece of a motor. Stay tuned for more. There will be a build video happening soon as well. And also here we've got a HKS filter, panel filter, that's going to be going in as well. So we've got all the goodies here, guys. Stay tuned to the Skating WRX build. Peace out.